What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. We've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and my projection of where I think it's going to be by the end of February, which is only a short 10 days away. But I think big things are really coming in for the cryptocurrency market, sitting at $510 billion right now, which is really nice to see. I think we're at like 470 as of yesterday. It's kind of been fluctuating, but we saw it pull back just a little bit yesterday and little bit the day before, and now we're seeing it recover already back up to $510 billion. We're not seeing any crazy bull runs yet. I mean, it's kind of always a bull run going up, 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 but steady growth. And like I said, that's what we really want to see. Now moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now sitting at $11,533. As you can see, it's kind of done the same thing as the market. As the market's gone up, it's gone up. As the market's gone down, it has also been going down. Kind of stays accurate with where the market is currently. So looking at the last 7 days, you can see that it was bottoming out. It bottomed out at about $6,000, right? Yeah, about $6,000. And we have just been on a steady path back up. We've been on that grind back up, guys. I'm really liking the steady growth. See it pull back yesterday just a little bit, and we're on the rise again, So my projection for Bitcoin right now, looking for the end of February, beginning of March, is that we're going to get back up to $15,000. And I think if we can manage that, we're going to keep just getting the steady growth. I don't want to see it just pop up and go from $11,533 and then tomorrow afternoon it be at $15,000, because again, that's not sustainable growth. That's whenever we're going to see a big pullback again. So if it can just steadily over the next week to 2 weeks get up to $15,000, I think we're really going to be sitting pretty. That'll be probably a market cap sitting closer to $650 billion is where the market cap will be around. Let's see where the market cap where Bitcoin was. Let's see. So let's see, $15,000. At around $15,000, market cap 255. Well, that's the market cap for this. Okay. So the market cap for this will be 250 billion, right? Yeah, about $250 billion. So about $50 billion more into Bitcoin, and that will put it around $15,000. Now, for most coins, that's a lot. Bitcoin, I mean, that's still a bit of a push, but for Bitcoin, that is not too much. That's sitting at about 25% more of where it is. So if it goes up by 25% in the next, week to 2 weeks, I think that's completely possible and plausible, because it's already up 8.53% right now, and that's just within the last 24 hours. So I just need to see it go up 25% more to reach that goal of $15,000 by the end of February, beginning of March. What do you guys think? Do you think that that's a real a reliable thing? Like, do you think that's a possibility? Do you think Bitcoin's going to shoot up even past that, getting back up, reliving its $20,000 days? Or do you think that it's just going to kind of plateau here? What we could see is more of a plateau where it's going to be going sideways and just maybe not getting the steady growth that we want to see. That is also a possibility. We never know for sure. But I think people are kind of coming back to cryptocurrency right now thinking, okay, maybe it's not a bubble, because a lot of people got scared whenever we hit that huge dip, you know what I mean? Like, just people FOMO'd out, people got scared, they're like, oh, cryptocurrency's done, we're done, crypto's out, obviously, moving on to the next thing. And the stock market also went down, huge amounts. And I think people just realized, this is kind of a January thing, this was also bigger than normal, but as January as of normal is whenever the stock market and cryptocurrency and any kind of anything like that, it really just starts to go down after January, after the holidays. But I think it normally picks up right after people start getting income tax money and things of that sort. So like people have more money in their wallet right now, and they're saying, well, maybe let me buy some Bitcoin. People have been talking about it. I'm not really sure what it is, but I will, I'll throw $100 at it. You get enough people saying that, boom, that's when you're seeing this Bitcoin rising. Okay. Whales coming back into play. Whales got all their stuff back whenever the market was sitting at $280 billion. So they got all their good prices. And there's still some good choices out there that you guys should check out, like I've been saying. But yeah, that's my prediction. I think 15,000 is a solid prediction for Bitcoin. I'm not a professional. This is not financial advice. It's just friendly advice and what I think that it can get to. What do you think that it can get to? Again, just let me know in the comments below. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Hit that bell button so you always know when we're posting, because we post every single day. I post normally Monday through Wednesday and then Sunday and maybe a little more here and there. And Sean has been keeping up and going strong every Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that's kind of how we've been scheduling it out. That may be due for some change, who knows. But for right now, Sean will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So if you guys love Sean, go check out his videos and wait for him on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But no matter what, we're getting a video out every single day. And as this crypto market starts going back up, we're going to have a lot more to talk about. And it's really exciting. I'm really excited for this bull market. We'll be getting a lot of coin reviews out once we start seeing some things start popping and we see some new coins that we really like and are really bullish on. You know, we'll be the first people to tell you whenever Litecoin pops. Well, actually, let me go check out Litecoin real quick. Let's go check that out, because Litecoin's been doing good. Litecoin's been probably up more than, out of the top 5, Litecoin has been doing the best. Up to $243 now. It's really been recovering well, but man, Litecoin's on point. They're always doing what they need to be doing. You can see this huge jump up right here. Kind of plateaued out for like a day or two, and now it's already jumping back up. But that was from whenever it was sitting at 150, so it's almost up $100 from, when was that? February 13th, so about 1 week ago, it's already up about $100, which is really good. I love seeing my account because, you know, Litecoin is one of my biggest. Honestly, I think I have the most money in Litecoin right now. That's the biggest percentage of my portfolio currently. And Litecoin is just something that I really believe in and I really love. And I know a lot of you guys really like it, and I love the community out behind it. So tell me what you think about Litecoin as well. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. You know, tell me how you're keeping up with crypto, and I'll see you in the next one.